Happy days will never die. Here are some beautiful memories of Singapore.
Now we are moving to another island.
We book our tickets for cable car service to reach Sentosa Island from Singapore. The total journey of this trip is 4.9 kilometers. While we are traveling through cable car, the view was awesome. It's unbelievable. And we enjoyed a lot. Once we reach Sentosa, we have so many things to capture. Underwater fish, aquarium, and it's different feeling which I never seen before. Totally, it's good. Soon after that, we went to Gaint Tree ride, which is new to me and it's scary ride too. I never did before. Everything is fresh and I enjoyed a lot. Finally, we reached Merlion to see the iconic beauty of Singapore. And we shot some beautiful location over there. Like this, I ended my second part. I hope you like this stuff. If you like this, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss my future videos. With this set I'm ending. I'll come with a new vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Be safe.